Hello friends, myself Dr. Saumya and you're welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you a quick and an effective home remedy for those of you suffering from anemia either due to iron deficiency or vitamin B12 deficiency. If you're interested for knowing the details of anemia, like the types, the causes and the signs of identifying anemia, you can refer to our old video and I'm sharing the link to that in the description box or in the I button. Now, let us begin with the making of this quick and easy to make drink for anemia. The first and the main ingredient used here are good quality dates. Here, I have taken the medjool dates. You can go for any good quality dates of your choice. Take each of the dates and cut them in half to remove the seeds. If you are staying in a place where there is availability to the fresh dates, you can probably use that also. But mostly, the dry dates can be found in almost all the stores. After deseeding them, let's take them in a small bowl. Now, I'm going to add raisins. Then into the bowl, we're going to pour some water. And keep to soak for 10 to 15 minutes or even overnight. This is a much requested video by many people who had watched one of our videos on anemia and the special drink for anemia, which is published in this channel some time ago. Since then, I was receiving many queries and requests telling that some of the ingredients which were used in that remedy are not available in your part of the world. And so, that is why I thought of sharing this quick and effective remedy with you. It is always good to make fresh drink before consumption. Now, before making, take the soaked dates and the raisins into a blender jar. Then into this, I'm going to add fresh almond milk. You can also use sesame milk. I'm also adding some ice cubes to get it chilled. Now let's blend them together to a smooth consistency. I found this drink to be very effective for correcting anemia at home. And I also suggest to include more fruits and vegetables in your diet which are rich in iron and vitamins. In case of adults, take this drink daily once for 2 to 3 months for good results. And for kids, use half amount of the ingredients for making the drink and serve them daily. I hope that this video is going to be helpful for you. Now, for any queries and doubts, you can contact us on our mailbox or even in the comment section. Thank you for being with us and hope to see you in our next video.